Greetings once again, and welcome to the latest edition of Mentor Mike's Market Movie. Today is Tuesday, February 21st. I hope everyone had a pleasant and relaxing President's Day weekend. Let's get started. Okay, we've got a bullish crossover on the 5-minute MACD. That tends to be a very potent signal. We also have the beginnings of a bullish crossover on the 1-minute. I'm going to go get quite bold here, and we're going to go ahead and get long early. Well, we've flipped the parabolic on the 1-minute chart, but we still have the bullish crossover on the 5. And the 1-minute chart has the white MA above the red still. Also on our 5-minute, the stochastic is above 50%. Alright, now that's more like it. I'm going to be wishful thinking here and draw my green arrow already. Oh, yep, hit the first target, so we're good to go. I am going to manually move the stop because I don't know if this is going to go far enough to move it otherwise. Okay. Okay, now, do we want to short this thing? Possibly, but we don't have the crossover on the MACD. The crossover that got us in nicely a moment ago is not present yet. So let's wait and see if we get that crossover before we go short. If it turns around before we get it, then we'll know that it wasn't meant to be. And it looks like that just may happen. Okay. Okay, check this out. We've got white above red and blue above white. We've got the MACD about ready to go in the upper half here. The stochastic is bullish. and we're looking bullish over here. We haven't flipped the parabolic on the 5 minute, but we will in the next couple of ticks. The dangerous part is this long-term moving average, but it's far enough away where I think even if it acts as resistance, we'll have enough room to hit the first target. So let's go for it. Okay, move the stop, and we can very quickly get up here to about almost break even. Draw our arrow. Oh, stopped out. Okay. We have dropped nicely here. We've got the white over the red coming down, same on both MACD and stochastics, and we've got the crossover on the MACD and the stochastics on the 5 minutes. So let's get short and start up again. Okay, hit the first target, move the stop. Notice the parabolic catching up to the stop. Oh, stopped out. Okay, looks like we've got bullish crossover on the MACD on the 5 minute side. We flipped the parabolic. Not quite up to the red with the white, but let's give it a shot here. Okay, move the stop. Stop down. Got a pretty strongly bullish MACD on the 5-minute side, and we're completely bearish on the 1-minute side. So they've got to link up. Looks like the link up may come on the bearish side, actually. But I'm waiting for that cross on the 5-minute MACD. Still don't have it. Notice that the 1-minute red was still heading up there pretty good too. Yeah, now we've turned around. Dare we get long? Ah, sure, why not? Oops, that was a mistake. We took a hit. Well, the MACD on the 5-minute side is bearish. On the 1-minute side as well. Okay. Well, we flipped the parabolic, but the white's still below the red, and we still have a very bearish MACD on the 5-minute side. And on the 1-minute side, our white signal line is still below the red as well. I'm recollecting how this one turned out. I believe this was a wave 1, and now we're doing wave 2. But if I remember correctly, we get a zone of resistance right here, and we never take out this series of highs that's forming right here. Yeah, at that point, everything was looking pretty bullish. Again, didn't take out that high. I remember I was talking to a student when all this was going on, and I said, if we take out this high, I'll probably go long. But we never did, and so we kept our short position. So we've actually been short for this point. All right, we've taken out 2 of the 3 targets. Took out all 3 targets. That's what we like to see. And you can see the red on the time and sales chart telling us that we made a new daily low. as I recall, this was wave 1, wave 2, and this long sucker here was wave 3. And we're going into a zigzaggy complex wave 4 right now. There, go down to the daily low to make wave 5. Yeah, we're probably going to see a change of direction. Tag that daily low once again. Okay. Alright, we're just about to cross over on this MACD, already breaking into the upper half of the scale over here. This is getting closer, but look at the tilt on the red. This thing's got nowhere to go but up. I'm pretty confident when I go ahead and get long over here. I would have been stopped out by now because it's past 10 after. And that's the end of the day. We never hit that second target, but we did get our 100 there. And I think we had 5 1/4 on there already, so we would have ended the day with 6 1/4. It says only 100, but this thing freezes up when you're in mid-trade there. So we can play it back a little bit when we create the movie, and you'll see I think it was 525 plus this 100, so that's 625. Not a king's ransom, but not too shabby. How many trades did we actually get here? Let's compress. That's a bit much. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 good ones and 1 bad one. Not our most stellar performance, but just as pilots say, any landing you can walk away from is a good one. As far as I'm concerned, when it comes to trading, any day that you made money is a good one. So enjoy, and we'll catch you next time.